Oh my god, I saw this leaf somewhere on the road and I knew it's gonna be a great DIY. So, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you so much for dropping by. If you are an OG, I see you. Are you ready for this DIY? I turned this leaf into this gold leaf and then I'm framing it on my walls. Guys, can you imagine that? I'm on my walls. So stick by, let's do this DIY together. So this leaf, I just met it. I just saw it on the road and I was like, definitely going to use it. Then I thought I'm going to use paint and I'm going to use frame and glue gun as always. These frames, I got them from my fundi, and guys, I love how this turned out. I don't know. I had fears of whether the leaf will dry up before I dye it or before I paint it. But I was like, yo, let's do this. Then the best thing about this frame is that they have some cute lines, and I love the two lines because they were just mwah. Also, as you can see from this video, my PA loves this leaf. We were fighting over it. Everyone wants this leaf, but yo, like this one was an amazing. So what you're going to do is, you see that I'm planning to stick it on that frame. Do you see? Do you see that? So we're going to do this DIY pole pole. We're going to start by painting the frame because I didn't love the color, so I'm going to turn it into something else, and then we're going to paint our leaf gold. And this spray paint was everything. The way this gold came out, I'm telling you, I love this. So the fact that I didn't know whether it's going to dry and crack. I was very afraid of the leaf drying up and cracking, but up to now, up to today, like it's been like it has never dried, yeah, because I don't know what happens when you paint. But just look at this, just look at that gold. Look at that gold, man. This gold gave me some goosebumps. It made me feel some type of way because, hey, look at that leaf. Can you even tell it's the same fresh leaf that you had? Or you get this, someone comes to your house and they're like, nice art, how much was this metallic leaf? And you're like, yeah, my metallic leaf was very expensive, guy. It's not metallic. It's not metallic. It's just a fresh leaf that has been painted gold. But this gold did this leaf some justice. It did the leaf some justice. We can all agree to this, right? Just look at it. Just look at it. Oh my god, I love how this is turning out. So once you've painted, be generous with your spray paint. Don't fear, like, and again, as I said on my previous video, don't let your paint drip. Paint it from afar. Oh my god, look at this. Who can tell me this is not metallic? Who can you even tell me this is not a metallic leaf? Because the way it looks, just look at that. Can anyone tell that this was the same green fresh leaf we had? Can you tell? Can you tell? I loved how it turned out. At this point, I was like, guy, can I just hang it like this? Maybe toboa kashimo on the stem and then hang it on the wall. And I was like, yo, like at this point, we're done with this DIY. The main thing on this DIY was this leaf, and I feel like we have done it. As that gold just came out. That leaf just did us justice, and this DIY is everything. Like, this DIY is everything. Just look at this. I've never been this happy of a DIY, but this one just made me love my creativity. So we're in with our frames. As I said, I'm painting it, and I painted black because why not? You can paint it gold if you want, or white, the color that you want. For me, I just wanted black. I felt like black was more will give it more vibe. And then I'm going to do glue stick and this glue gun, and then I'm going to stick it there. Wait for your leaf to dry completely, so that when you're doing this gun it doesn't have to move or something or turn color. So I'm going to I glued the tip, and then I'm going to glue the stem just like that. And then I realized it was playing around, so I had to lay down one side of it, like only one side. If you want to do both sides, well and good. If you also want your leaf to stick well, you can use a cardboard as your base for the frame, so that. But for me, I didn't want to have anything else. I just feel like the vibe of having the leaf on itself, it's just everything, yeah. So I never added anything. I just glued it down on three sides: the tip, the side, one side, and the stem. And at this point, we are done with this DIY. Just look at it. Look at it. Look at this. Oh, the back. I never painted the back, because why waste my paints on places that won't be seen? But don't be lazy. It's been lazy. It's called being lazy. Don't be lazy. So paint both sides if you want. But for me, it just felt like having the back side not being visible it's all right. So just look at this. Look at this. Once you've done, be generous with your glue gun also, and then just let it rest, let it dry, because if you move the leaf, it will not kill. So just let it dry at this point. And then I was now planning on how I'm going to put it on my walls. And guys, I loved how it turned out. Just look at this. I just hung it somewhere on my wall. Hey, oh, with all designs, you can hang it upwards, downwards, the way you want. But guys, I love this. I hope you loved it so much. If you're going to try this, tell me. Let me know. Let me know when you try this. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys. I love you guys. I love this flower. I love this. I love this frame. Yeah, this frame is cute. Yeah. Thank you for watching. Till next time. Bye bye.